I ordered something that I'm really excited to eat. Hi lovelies, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mr. Stella Ize, but I prefer being called Miso. Today is Tuesday, June 16th, 2026, and I'm not at work because apparently it's a public holiday here in Oyo State. It's a Muslim public holiday, so I just found out yesterday, so I'm not really doing much today. And I ordered something that I'm really excited to eat. I'm really starving right now because it's past 12 and I've not had my first meal of the day. But I ordered ewa going. I have been wanting to eat ewa going for like the longest time. I don't really like beans, but ewa going is like, it's made in a different way, so I'm excited to eat that. And I ordered from this very highly TikTok recommended place, Sisi Elewa. So hopefully it's nice. And I'm also trying out tapioca for the first time. I ordered tapioca from them too. So I'm just waiting for my food to get here. I'm so hungry. Yeah. Hi you guys, I'm making this video now because I know if I eat I will not be able to make it. I placed my order by 12:04 and this is 1:30 and I'm just getting the food now. I've been so mad, like I'm so mad, and I can't be mad at Hey Food because I placed the order with Hey Food. I think it's my rider. I placed the order with Hey Food and they said it will get to me like 34 minutes. This is like over an hour. I'm so hungry and I'm so mad. Well, let's go and eat. So you guys, I ordered tapioca and I'm opening one first. I'm so hungry, so if I'm not smiling because I am hungry. These people were just doing whatever they do. And then I think they are doing the one. I will show you guys. And then this is the sauce. Why did they pack it separately? This is the sauce, this is the oil. Okay. Yeah, I think that's basically, and I ordered bread. Oh, tapioca really looks nice. See the tapioca here, it looks very nice. They added lots of stuff on it. It looks very nice. I'm excited to eat it. Okay, and then my sugar, and then onion. Okay, I am excited to eat this. This is the plantain, and then this is the sauce. Like if you add the sauce, it will be better. This is the sauce here, and then this is so good. I'm going to enjoy my food. This is good. I think I have the tapioca now. But let me taste the one, so I'll tell you guys. I like the other one. But I don't think I like the sauce that much. I like the other one because it's like green, but it's mashed, so you don't have to do it. But the sauce kind of has this quality to it. But then when you think I like it, the other one itself is really nice. Anyway, that's it. That's all nice. And I'm going to enjoy my food now. Hi lovelies, good afternoon. So I'm going to the cinema today. I'm finally going to watch Call of My Life. Yeah, the popular movie. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm bringing you guys along. So OOTD, I'm wearing this green crop top, this black pants, and my sandals. I don't know if that's very visible, but yeah, that's what we're doing. So let's be honest. All the things are on your mind. They want bad when I treat you right. I don't care how you look so nice. Crying at night, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do. Don't get you look so nice, being not nice, you're rude. Look what you're putting me through. I never do this to you. This is the sweetest movie ever, you guys. It's so sweet. Oh god. Like that last gesture was so sweet. Oh god. Love is sweet. Good morning. I hope I'm visible. So, the organization I work with, we have an event this weekend. We have an event tomorrow and next. Today is Thursday. We have an event Friday and Saturday at a hotel here in Ibadan. So, we are supposed to stop by the office and the whole team will go together to the hotel to kind of start setting up. And we are spending the night there for the 2 nights that we have the event, this night and tomorrow night. So, yeah, we'll be going back to our houses after the event on Saturday. So I'm packed, I'm dressed. This is like my outfit of the day. I'm always excited whenever the organization I work with, whenever we have like an event, because it's like something that allows you to meet people, and I'm always excited to meet new people. Let me show you guys my bag. I'm all packed, so I can't wait to have a fun weekend, and I'll bring you guys along for the fun weekend. Okay, fun but corporate, I guess, because it's work, but yay, let's go have fun.
And there's no one time it. I need you. I need you. I need you. I need you. I need you.
This is me doing a room tour. We are here at the hotel. So yeah, come in. I think the first thing is the bed. It's quite a small room anyways. This is like the wardrobe section. Oh. And then over here is the safe and the refrigerator. Oh, the bathroom is actually fine. This will be nice for mirror surface. And yeah, the shower area. Plenty mirror surface will happen here. The shower gels and stuff. Oh, sorry, that's not the one for the event tomorrow. Yeah. Guys, we have an event tomorrow, but apparently my colleagues think it's the best time to be drinking alcohol. Let me show you guys. See, we have Siminov here. That's what we call it now. And we have Jaculians. I think they call it Smirnoff. That's what you guys call it.
They call it.
They call it Smirnoff. We call it Smirnoff. Let me hear what. And then we also have Jaculian. We are going to get high and miss our event tomorrow. No, yeah. You need to relax. Yeah, relax. Guys, do you believe it's like past 11? Yeah, Jimmy. Cheating is a social End of the event, I went to pick up a dental kit from the reception. Okay, I don't know if I'm very visible. Hi, lovelies. Good morning. So this is the outfit of the day. Today is the day of the event. It is currently past 7, so we're getting ready. This is my footwear. I'm wearing this black pants and this pink top. If you watched my a week in the life in February, you guys, I also had my first physical event in Lagos. If you guys remember, this was the top I wore for that event, so I'm wearing it, and I know I look so good. My hair got old so fast. Do you guys remember I made this hair just last week? My hair got old so fast. It's not even been up to 2 weeks and it's looking so crusty and dusty. Anyway, I just started just a little. Hopefully it looks okay for the duration of today. So we are all dressed. We're going to the hall. Apparently, me recording myself for YouTube means everybody kind of thinks I am a video guru. So apparently I'm the one recording for my organization today. So we're going to go to the hall and yeah, start recording. I wanted to show you guys my OOTD. I was a bit tipsy from the alcohol we had last night, but I think I feel better now. So let's go.
Look what you putting me through. I never do this to you.
So you guys, it's time for lunch. We just finished from the hall now. I just came into the room to take a little bit of rest. Let me show you guys the time. It's currently 2:49. So we're out of the hall for like a few minutes to eat lunch and we'll go back for the event. So yeah, it's a long day, but at least I look good. I'm vlogging so haphazardly these days. I don't know, like I know I'm not even great at vlogging yet, but I think the way I'm vlogging these days I'll even lose the subscribers I have. But anyways, it's evening. We're done with the main event. We have a social event happening right now, so that's what we're getting ready for. So yeah, we'll just go and start that now. I just wanted to give you guys an update. I don't know if I even make any video or recording inside there, but I'm so tired, you guys.
Sometimes you love too hard, sometimes you go too far. I won't want you if you need me. Real things don't not come easy, no. Never been your average girl, so take time with me, take time. Maybe talk to me.
Guys, I'm so tired. I feel like that place I am, I don't want to sleep there. I actually want to sleep. My stomach hurts and I want to sleep. But apparently not.
Cool down some more, cool down love, cool down some more, cool now please, cool now some more, cool down love, cool down, cool down, cool down some more, cool down, cool down, cool down, cool down some more, cool down, cool down, cool down, cool down some more, cool down,
Baby, make me tell you this, I won't waste no time, I'll be proceeding quick. The way you're moving really got me feeling sick. Like say you forgot to know you're dealing with. Man, I feel good when I'm at work non-stop. You look good for the night when I come back. Someone with that come out from me. If you want
you are my African queen, the girl of my dreams. You take me where I can run it. You make my heart go ting-a-ling-a-ling. Oh, you are my African queen. You are my African queen, the girl of my dreams. And you remind me of a thing. And that is the African beauty.
So we're back from the trip now, from the hotel trip. The weekend was really nice. We're back, and this is like the closing clip for this vlog. Thank you very much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
focus on me, focus on me, focus on me, focus on me, focus on me.